Harper House Scary Story. Arrival: 5 women drive up to an old, crumbling mansion. They laugh and reminisce about their college days. Local rumors about vanished women are mentioned. They brush it off. Settling in, the friends explore the house, finding old portraits of women who lived there. Strange cold spots and faint whispers are noticed but dismissed. First night, doors slam on their own. Shadows flicker. One woman sees a reflection of a Harper woman in a mirror that isn't her own. Fear begins to creep in. The friends try to rationalize it. The haunting intensifies. Each woman experiences visions of past traumas and secrets. The Harper women appear in mirrors, portraits, and hallways, mimicking their every move. Attempts to leave fail. Doors vanish or lead to hallways that loop endlessly. Confrontation tension peaks, accusations and personal fears surface. The friends realize the Harper women feed on unresolved guilt and hidden secrets. Sacrifice: one woman is pulled into a mirror, leaving the others traumatized but alive. The remaining women vow to survive and expose the house, though they now carry the weight of its curse. Epilogue: morning light. The survivors leave, but one of them subtly begins to show traits of the Harper women. The house looms silently behind them, waiting for the next visitors.